Yes, I like to tell you that the best thing in this school is the doctor himself, and of course this place, and mostly the practical things, how we doing the practical on each other to just, it's a very nice illustrations by doctor, and we really had a lot of knowledge and enjoyment together. So it was wonderful.
Yeah, and we had a really great group together. It was really funny actually also, and we sharing everything together. We make a also very nice trip in the herbal garden and in the Ayurveda hospital, and it
Yeah.
was so interesting. And
Also
also,
the Panchkarma center there.
yes, and also the doctor is very friendly, very he caring so much for us, like for the own family. So he's very nice also.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yes, it was our best decision
Yeah,
to
best
go
decision to come here and
come here
just go
and
through
learn
it.
learn
Yes,
it 3 months.
it's not only the certificates for the 3 months, it's also the a lifetime experience.